Welcome to our Countertop Dishwasher Showdown. Today, we're comparing two fantastic options for compact living, the Milliloom Countertop Portable Dishwasher and the Urlex Countertop Dishwasher. Both models offer unique features and flexibility, making them perfect for RVs and apartments. Let's dive into their specifications and see how they stack up against each other. The Milliloom measures 20.16 inches in depth, 19.96 inches in width, and 20.79 inches in height, weighing 32.17 pounds. In contrast, the Urlex is more compact, measuring 15.3 inches in depth, 17 inches in width, and 18.1 inches in height, with a weight of only 28 pounds. This makes the Urlex a better fit for extremely tight spaces, while the Milliloom offers a larger capacity. The Milliloom is priced at $409, making it the more expensive option. On the other hand, the Urlex is priced at $359, offering a more budget-friendly alternative without sacrificing essential features. This price difference may influence your decision based on your budget constraints. The Milliloom offers 6 cleaning programs, including a high-temperature wash at 162 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring thorough sanitation. The Urlex, while having one less program at 5, features a unique fruit wash function that sets it apart. Both models provide dual water supply modes, enhancing their versatility in different settings. In conclusion, both the Milliloom and Urlex countertop dishwashers have their strengths and weaknesses. The Milliloom excels in size and high-temperature cleaning, while the Urlex offers a compact design and unique features at a lower price. We hope this comparison helps you make an informed decision. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.